All right, guys, so we are going to be practicing some energy conversions. We're going to do this as a pre-lab so that we can get right into our lab work. So we have energy units. So the basic unit of energy is a joule. That's what we're going to be using the most. A calorie is the energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water up 1 degree Celsius. And a British thermal unit, BTU, is the amount of heat needed to raise 1 pound of water at maximum density through 1 degree Fahrenheit. These are going to be the main units that we use for the first section. So as you can see, 1,000 joules equals 1 kilojoule. 1,000 calories equals 1 kilocalorie. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. 1 BTU is 1.05 kilojoules. And then 1 therm is 100,000 BTU. There's going to be a lot of conversions where we need to make sure that we're paying attention if it's in joules or if it's in kilojoules, and we'll need to just make sure we're paying attention to that. So question 1, it says, suppose a TV uses 200 joules of energy. So we're going to start with 200 joules, and we're trying to get it to BTUs. So first, we need to look up at the top up here to see where our conversions are. So we have 1 BTU equals 1.05 kilojoules, so we need to get joules to kilojoules. So we set up our conversion, and we know, according to this, that 1 kilojoule is equal to 1,000 joules, and we need to be able to set 1 kilojoule equals 1,000 kilojoules, so we're able to mark out joules. Okay, but we're not done yet. We still have to get from kilojoules to BTU. So if we look back up here, we have 1 BTU is equal to 1.05 kilojoules right here. Okay, so I'm going to cross out, and then I'm going to multiply all the way across. So it's going to end up being like 200 times 1 divided by 1,000 times 1.05. Okay, and when I do that in the calculator, I'm going to end up with 0.19 BTUs, and that is my final answer. So number 2, Sandy went to the gym and burned 500 kilocalories of energy. We're trying to get to joules, so we're going to start with 500 kilocalories. And we need to get to calories. So 1 kilocalorie equals 1,000 calories. And then 1 calorie is going to equal 4.184 joules. So kilocalories is marked out, calories. And then I'm going to multiply 500 times 1,000 times 4.184, and then I'm going to divide that by 1 times 1. So I'm just going to set that up just so it's easier for you to see at the beginning. 4.184, and I'm going to divide that by 1 times 1, and you're going to equal 2,092 joules. Or you can put 2.092 times 10 to the 6th joules. So these are your answers. You have to make sure you include the unit in your setup and in your final answer to get all the points. Next, we're going to be doing kilowatt hours. So kilowatt hours is kilowatt hour. This refers to the amount of energy in kilowatts consumed in 1 hour. So kilowatt consumed in 1 hour. Let me pause it there. Okay. Sorry, it's quit letting me write on it. Okay. So kilowatt consumed in 1 hour.